lined up my daughter's toys, just 6 of them in a row, and they're in the sun. And on this side you can see their shadows. Now I've done this on concrete, but you could do it on paper. Now I'm going to grab a piece of chalk and I'm going to put here, oops, where is it? A line, because that's kind of where my toy is. And then I'm going to draw an outline around the shadow that is formed by my toy, or Eva's toy, my daughter's toys. And that is how big Eva's toy is right now. And what time is it? Let's have a look. The time is 12 o'clock. So at 12 o'clock, 12 p.m, that's how big it is. I wonder how big it will be at 1 p.m. After I've done all of these, I'm going to measure them. I'll come back. So here you can see that Eva is very carefully drawing an outline around, what's this toy called, Eva?
I think it's just like a soft toy.
Unicorn soft toy. So she's creating an outline around unicorn soft toy. And then back over this side. There we go. Perfect. Now all of them have got a 12 o'clock outline. I'm going to come back at 1 o'clock and see what the outline looks like. So it's an hour later and the sun is shining, not as bright as it was before, but you can see how the shadow is a little bit different. It's in a different position, and I think it's probably even a different length or height. So when the sun comes out a little bit stronger, I'll continue on with my outlines. All right. Okay, that sun is out. I'm going to outline the new position. And I'm going to call it 1 p.m. And then we are going to see what length these things are now, whether they're longer or shorter than they were before. Okay, it's very different. It's amazing how much 1 hour, the difference 1 hour makes. Oh, this one is going to be difficult because there's a pole in the way. Oops. Let's go the other side. Oh, that sunshine is really bright now. Wonderful. And here's that pole that's in the way, pesky pole. I don't know what I'm going to do about this, but when I measure it, I'm going to measure it from the tip of this. Alright. So those are my 2 measurements, 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock. Okay, so here we have 2 outlines. We've got a 12 p.m. outline in pink and a 1 p.m. outline in purple. We've also got a tape measure or a ruler, some sticky notes and a texter, just so that we can write down the measurements. So I'm just measuring this, which was the Simon Says toy, and I've got my 0 point right at the edge, and then it goes all the way up to 30. But my shadow was taller than 30, a lot taller than 30. This was the tallest point at 1 o'clock, and this was the tallest point at 12 o'clock. So I'm going to put a little mark at 30. So that's 30 plus, and then this is how high it was. Yeah, I think they're about the same, but 30, and there is the pink one. So 31, 32, 33, I think it was 33 and a half. See, that's where the pink goes to. So 33 and a half centimeters. So I'm going to come over to my sticky notes and write 33 and a half, you say 0.5 centimeters, or 33 and a half centimeters. But this is the way that you would write it down, and this is the way that you would say it. You could say 33 and a half or 33.5 centimeters. This is the correct way of saying it. I'm going to measure the rest of them now. Okay, we have finished measuring, and I think that I may have not drawn an outline as carefully as I could have, because the measurements are quite off. So this toy is the same height at 12 and at 1, and this toy is also the same height, 12 and 1, and this one is vastly different. At 12 it was 33.5 centimeters, and at 1 it was 36. But I think I might have been the drawing and the chalk, not sure. And then here, this one, at 12 p.m. it was 25 centimeters, and at 1 p.m. it was 27 centimeters. This toy here, which is like a money box, at 12 p.m. it was 32 centimeters, at 1 p.m. it was 32.5 centimeters. And this one that has that pesky pole in the middle of it, let's see, at 12 p.m. it was 59 centimeters, and at 1 p.m. it was 59.5 centimeters. I wonder what you're going to get. Take photos and show me your results. Thank you.